Hello Junior 6, today we will solve weekend sheet number 5. Complete. Number 1. A parallelogram is a space when one of its angles is right and two adjacent sides are equal in length. So here I have two conditions. So when I have two conditions, the parallelogram is a square. So the parallelogram is a square when one of its angles is right and two adjacent sides are equal in length. Number 2. 1.2 meter cube equals space decimeter cube. So here I want to convert from meter cube to decimeter cube. I will multiply by 1000. So the answer is 1200 decimeter cube. Number 3. A rhombus is a square if space are equal in length. Here I can think about the difference between rhombus and square. Can I say the sides? No, the sides are equal in rhombus and square. So here the only difference is the diagonals, if diagonals are equal in length. Number 4. In a parallelogram XYZL, if measure y equals 70 degree, then measure L equals space. If you draw the parallelogram XYZL, you will find that measure angle y and angle L are opposite angles. You will find that the two angles are opposite angles. So the opposite angles, we know that they are equal in measure. So angle y equals 70, then angle L will be 70 as angle y. Number 5. Each two opposite angles of a parallelogram are, we just said that they are equal in measure. Number 6. A car covered 180 kilometers in 3 hours. Then the speed of this car equal. The speed means the rate. The speed means the rate. I will find the rate by dividing 180 kilometers over 3 hours. Don't forget to write the units. Equal 60. The unit is kilometer per 1 hour. The rate here always for 1. Number 7. The ratio between the side lengths of an equilateral triangle and its perimeter equals space. I know from lesson 1 that it is a fixed ratio between the side lengths of the triangle, equilateral triangle, and its perimeter, which is 1 to 3. Fixed ratio 1 to 3. Number 8. The sum of the measure of any two consecutive angles in a parallelogram is 180. Yes. Okay, number 9. The shape that two diagonals are perpendicular and equal in length. Here I have two conditions. Diagonals are perpendicular and equal in length. Yes, I can hear you. It's a square. Number 10. A rectangle is a square if. What is the condition that makes a rectangle a square? If, yes, two diagonals are perpendicular, or you can say two adjacent sides are equal in length. Rectangle is a square if the two diagonals are perpendicular or two adjacent sides are equal in length. Number 11. The four sides are equal in length. Four sides are equal in length in, yes, square and rhombus. Number 12. The two diagonals are equal in length. Here we talk about the diagonal before. Diagonals are equal in square and rectangle. Yes. Number 13. In a parallelogram ABCD, if measure angle A equals 70, then measure angle B equal. From here, if I draw the parallelogram, I will find that the two angles A and B are two consecutive angles. So their sum is 180 degree. I have angle A, angle B equal 180 minus 70 equal 110 degree. Okay, here question number 2. If the ratio between the length and width of rectangle is 3 to 2 and its perimeter is 30 centimeter, find its area. Here, to find the area of the rectangle, I have to know first the length and width, but I don't know the length and width of this rectangle. I want to find the length and width, but here I have the ratio between length and width. And also I have the perimeter. We studied that the perimeter means sum. The perimeter means sum. But the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2. So I have length plus width and length plus width. Two groups of length plus width. But in the ratio, I want length plus width only one time. So to find the sum, you have to divide perimeter over 2. To find the sum of length and width, you will have to divide the perimeter over 2. If I give you the perimeter of triangle, will you divide this perimeter over 2? No, this is only for the rectangle. The sum of length and width is perimeter over 2, only in case of rectangle. Now I can solve my exercise like usual. Length to width to sum. Put the ratio 3 to 2, then the sum of the two ratios is 5. Under 5, we will put 15, yes, which is 30 divided 2. I cannot put 30 because 30 is length plus width times 2. So it is length plus width repeated 2 times. I need only length plus width in the sum. So 30 divided 2 equal 15. Easily I can find the length equal 3 times 15 over 5 equal 9 centimeter, and width is 2 times 15 over 5 equal 6 centimeter. Now I can find the area, which is length times width equal 9 times 6 equal 54 centimeter square. Question number 3. The ratio among the lengths of sides of triangle 2 to 3 to 4 and its perimeter is 36. Calculate the length of each side of the triangle. Here also I have perimeter of triangle. And we said before that perimeter means sum. But here, shall I divide the perimeter over 2? No. We said this will happen only in the rectangle, because the rectangle is length plus width times 2. But the perimeter of the triangle is the sum of the 3 sides. So, sum means perimeter. I will find the side 1, side 2, side 3 and put a new column for the sum. Put the ratio 2 to 3 to 4 and the sum is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now I will put 36 under the sum and easily I will find side 1, 2 times 36 over 9 equal 8 centimeter. Side 2 equal 3 times 36 over 9 equal 12 centimeter. And side 3 equal 4 times 36 over 9 equal 16 centimeter. Exercise number 4. A builder used 1,500 bricks for building up a wall. If each brick in the shape of cuboid of dimensions 25, 12 and 6 centimeter. Calculate the volume of the wall in meter cube. So here I have a wall. This wall is made of 1,500 brick. How can I find the volume of the wall? I have the dimensions of the one brick, only one brick. So this wall is made of 1,500 bricks. So when you find the volume of one brick, I will repeat its volume how many times? 1500 times to find the volume of the total wall. So the volume of the brick, this brick is in the shape of cuboid, so its volume is length times width times height, equal 25 times 12 times 6, equal 1800, its volume, centimeter cube. Now I have the volume of one brick. I need to repeat this brick how many times? 1500 times, equal, so to find the volume of the wall, 1800, the volume of one brick, multiplied by the number of bricks, multiplied by 1500, equal to, this is 2,700,000 centimeter cube, 2,700,000 centimeter cube. But he needs the volume in meter cube. So I will convert centimeter cube in meter cube by dividing it by 1 million. So 2,700,000 divide 1 million equal 2.7 meter cube. Number 5, a cuboid with a square base of edge length 9 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. Find the volume of the cuboid. So here I have the special case of the cuboid. I know that the regular rule is length times width times height, but in case of square, the rule is side times height. Side times height. So here the side is 9, so 9 times 9 times 14, which is the height, equal 1134 centimeter cube. Number 6, here in the opposite figure, XYZL is a parallelogram in which measure angle Y equal 120, measure angle YXZ equal 35 degree. Find measure angle L and measure angle LXZ. Here, let's see, I have measure angle Y 120, so measure angle L, which is the opposite angle to angle Y, so angle L equal 120 degree. Let's go to angle LXZ. LXZ. Angle LXZ, here, this angle, I can see that all angle X and angle Y, angle X and angle Y are two consecutive angles. So their sum is 180 degree. I have angle Y and a part of angle X. So the other part will be equal 180 degree minus 120 plus 35. I have 3 parts. Subtract the 2 parts from 180 and the left part is the missing one, here 25. Number 7, if the sum of edges of a cube is 132 centimeter, calculate its volume. I know that the rule of finding the volume of cube is edge length times edge length times edge length. But here I don't have the edge length. I have sum of edges. So how many edges do you have? I know that I have 12 edges. So to find the edge length, divide sum of edges by 12. Sum of edges divided 12 equal 132 divided 12 equal 11 centimeter. Now I have the edge length. Find the volume by edge length times edge length times edge length equal 11 times 11 times 11 equal 1331 centimeter cube. Number 8, find the volume of cube whose face area is 25 centimeter square. Again, I know that the volume of cube equal edge times edge times edge. I don't have here the edge. I have the area of one face. I know that the face of the cube is square. Area of one face equal side times side or edge times edge equal 25 centimeter square. Here it is a given. What is a number multiplied by itself equal 25? Yes, it's 5. I know that 5 times 5 is 25. So here the side is, or the edge, equal 5 centimeter. I can use calculator to find this by just click on the button of square root. Put 25 under the square root button. It will give you 5 centimeter. So now easily I will find the volume, h times h times h, equal 5 times 5 times 5 equal 125 centimeter cube. Number 9, the perimeter of base of cube is 40 centimeter. Calculate its volume. Again, I know that the volume is h times h times h. But here I have perimeter, I don't have the edge. I know that the perimeter of a base in the shape of square is side times 4. So to find the edge length or side length, perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divide 4 equal 40 divide 4 equal 10 centimeter. This is the edge is 10 centimeter. Now to find the volume, equal h times h times h equal 10 times 10 times 10 equal 1000 centimeter cube. Number 10, a cube of cheese is of edge length 15 centimeter. It is wanted to be divided into small cubes. The edge length of each is 3 centimeter. Calculate the number of resulting small cubes. Here I have a big cube of cheese. I want to divide it into small cubes. I have the edge length of the big cube and the edge length of the small cubes. Calculate the number. So I will find first the volume of the big cube and the volume of the small cube. Then to find the number or calculate the number, I will divide the big volume over the small volume. Here V1 of the big cube is h times h times h equal 15 times 15 times 15 equals 3375 centimeter cube. V2 of the small cube is e times e times e equals 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27 centimeter cube. By dividing them, V1 over V2 to find the number of cubes or small cubes equal 3375 over 27 equal 125 cubes. Okay, Junior 6, that was weekend sheet 5. See you in next videos. Hello Junior 6, today we will solve weekend